Do you want to learn about the easiest, lowest maintenance type of water filtration systems for your family? Maybe you're tired of constantly changing filters and want to install your own automatic backwashing filter, or just know more about installation best practices? Do you want to hear about common as well as my own automatic backwashing filter installation disasters to make sure you avoid them for your family? Can you really install one of these water filters yourself? My ultra low maintenance automatic backwashing filters live stream event is for you. It's happening today, Thursday, October 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll be sharing all of my automatic backwashing filter information, tips, and tricks with you. This event is perfect for you if you're thinking about improving and simplifying the maintenance of your water filtration and saving money by installing it yourself. I'll be sharing information all about what automatic backwashing filters do, types available, and if they're really applicable for your family. I'd love to have you take advantage of this event and participate with your questions and comments. Be sure to check out my live stream today, Thursday, October 26th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Click this link, set a reminder, and I'll see you there. Already missed it? No problem. Click the same link and I'll see you in the replay.